Homeowners searching for Bow Windows Melville NY often want a feature that adds light, space, and curb appeal in one upgrade. With custom Bow Windows Melville properties can gain a wider outdoor view, improved ventilation, and a more refined exterior profile that fits both classic and contemporary homes. From residential Bow Windows Melville projects in quiet neighborhoods to premium Bow Window Solutions Melville NY for larger remodels, the right design can transform a front room, living room, or master suite. Many clients compare Bay and Bow Windows Melville options before choosing a softer, more elegant curved appearance that enhances both interior comfort and property value. Energy savings are a major reason many families choose energy-efficient Bow Windows Melville for remodeling and replacement projects. Insulated Bow Windows Melville help reduce drafts, improve temperature control, and support year-round comfort through changing Long Island weather. Homeowners looking for insulated replacement Bow Windows Melville NY often prefer advanced glass packages, durable frames, and secure ceiling systems that lower energy loss without sacrificing style. Energy-efficient Bow Windows Melville are especially popular in homes needing better efficiency near busy roads, open lots, and coastal weather patterns, making this upgrade a smart part of Bow Window Home Improvement Long Island NY. Material selection plays a big role in long-term performance, and vinyl Bow Windows Melville remain a popular low-maintenance option. Vinyl Bow Windows Melville NY offer durability, clean lines, weather resistance, and easy care for busy households seeking practical beauty. For a more traditional finish, wood Bow Windows Melville bring warmth, architectural detail, and timeless appeal, while wood Bow Window Replacement Melville NY is ideal for older homes with aging frames or damaged trim. Fiberglass Bow Windows Melville and Fiberglass Bow Windows Melville provide strength, stability, and excellent insulation, making them a top choice for homeowners who want lasting performance with a refined modern look. Professional installation is essential when planning Bow Window Installation Melville for a new build, remodel, or replacement project. Skilled Bow Window installers Melville understand structural requirements, weatherproofing, proper support systems, and precise measurements needed for curved window assemblies. Homeowners looking for best Bow Windows Melville installers often prioritize experience, licensing, local references, and strong workmanship standards. A licensed Bow Window contractor Melville NY can also help with permits, code compliance, and design recommendations, especially for custom Bow Window installation Suffolk County, New York, and more complex exterior Bow Window upgrades Melville NY that involve framing or wall modifications. Replacement services are often the best solution when existing windows are outdated, damaged, or inefficient. Bow Window Replacement Melville improves appearance, comfort, and home value while addressing common issues like drafts, moisture intrusion, and deteriorated frames. Many homeowners searching for affordable Bow Window Replacement Melville NY also want design flexibility, including modern Bow Windows Melville, traditional Bow Windows Melville, and decorative Bow Windows Melville that match the character of the home. Whether the project involves Bow Window Replacement near Plainview NY or residential Bow Windows Melville contractors, a well-planned replacement can provide a clean exterior finish and a stronger interior focal point. Remodeling projects often benefit from integrated structural and aesthetic improvements, making Bow Windows Melville a valuable investment. Home Bow Windows Melville NY may include wall reconfiguration, interior trim enhancements, seating additions, and updated finishes that improve both functionality and style. Bow window framing Melville is a critical part of these projects, especially when enlarging openings or replacing older units with larger custom systems. Homeowners planning Bow Window renovation Melville or working with Bow Window renovation contractors Long Island often combine window updates with siding, insulation, and exterior trim work for a more complete home transformation. Design flexibility makes Bow Windows Melville one of the most appealing upgrades for homeowners investing in renovation. Bow window design can be tailored to match room size, architectural style, and natural light goals, whether the preference is sleek contemporary lines or classic curved elegance. Custom curved windows Melville NY are especially attractive for homeowners who want a distinctive exterior detail with panoramic views and an expanded interior feel. From decorative bow windows Melville in formal front rooms to modern bow windows Melville in renovated open-concept spaces, custom bow windows Melville can be crafted to complement nearly any residential aesthetic across Melville and nearby Long Island communities. Local expertise matters when choosing a bow window company Melville, New York for service, repairs, or full replacement. Contractors familiar with Bow Windows Melville services understand regional weather conditions, neighborhood home styles, and the expectations of local homeowners seeking quality craftsmanship. Clients often compare bow window installation near Melville NY, bow window installers near Dix Hills NY, and local bow window experts Melville NY to find a team with strong area knowledge and reliable scheduling. Working with bow window contractors Melville who know Melville homes can make the process smoother from initial planning through final installation and cleanup.